Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss the copy trading. At this point, a lot of different exchanges have added this feature. However, in this video, we will focus on ByBit exchange. We will go through the main actions in copy trading, such as choosing traders to follow and preventing the loss of your funds. As we will be discussing the entire process using ByBit exchange as an example, if you don't already have an account there, I recommend creating one using the link in the description to receive welcome bonuses of up to several $1,000s. Also, I will leave a link to my video with a detailed explanation of how to pass registration and verification processes on ByBit. For those who are unfamiliar with copy trading, the concept is simple. There is a master trader who makes trades, and followers who automatically copy trades. Trader opens position and automatically all followers do the same. At the end, if trade was successful, trader receives a certain percentage of the profits. You may already be familiar with the concept of traders on social platforms sending signals for their trades. However, as you know, this method has its drawbacks. Subscribers who use signals may not understand the strategy and could make mistakes, such as withdrawing the trade too early or too late, or not following proper risk management, potentially leading to losses. Copy trading solves these problems, as the subscriber does not need to open or close transactions themselves, as the master trader handles everything. This is a mutually beneficial system, where subscribers only need to deposit a certain amount for trading, and if trade is successful, master receives 10 to 15% of the profits for provided services. However, before subscribing to any trader, it is crucial to analyze their strategy, evaluate the results, and assess the statistic. After all, no one is more responsible for your money than you are. Now, let's review the parameters that we should check before subscribing to a trader. To access copy trading, we need to first select Tools, and then Copy Trading. At the beginning page, you will find two types of sorting for master traders. The first one is Top Master Traders, where all traders are grouped according to different categories, such as Top Traders by ROI. ROI stands for Return on Investment, which measures how much money you make or lose on an investment compared to how much you initially invested. It is usually expressed as a percentage. The second category is traders with the highest profit for followers, which shows traders who have made the biggest profit for their subscribers. The third group is lowest drawdown, consisting of traders who had the smallest decrease in ROI among all other traders. The final group is called Top Intraday Traders, which includes the most profitable traders who use the intraday strategy. These traders buy and sell assets, usually within the same trading day, to make a profit by taking advantage of small price movements that occur throughout the day. If you want to copy any of the traders you have seen, you can simply click on Copy. However, it is better to review all traders by their statistics using the second option. The second sorting option for traders shows a complete list of all traders, which can be sorted by specific characteristics. To access this list, you need to click on All Master Traders, or click on View More. You can use the sorting features at the top to find the traders that best suit you. Remember, it's always a good idea to diversify your investments. Keep in mind that futures trading is highly risky, and almost 95% of all traders lose their money. By using ByBit, you can subscribe to 10 different traders simultaneously, so take advantage of this opportunity. The first thing you can check is the trader's long-term efficiency. You simply need to select the maximum number of days, which in our case is 90 days. This is an important factor because it can be difficult to remain profitable over longer periods. It's better to choose a trader who has a proven track record of making profits over a longer term than someone who was just lucky with one trade. Now, let's review one trader's results in more detail. One note before we proceed: most exchanges have some limits for subscribers to follow one trader. You can check those limits from the panels here. If the trader is full, you can add yourself to the waiting list. When the trader has available slots, you will be notified by email or by notification in the mobile application. To narrow down the list of master traders, you should use different filters that are located above. After selecting the 90-day period, you can check the trader's rank. The trader's rank is assigned to all traders based on their statistics. All traders start with the cadet rank and can work their way up to the gold rank. If you want to learn more about it, you can pause this part of the video and read about it in more detail. Then, you can filter traders based on the groups that we previously discussed. These groups include top traders by ROI, traders with the highest profit for followers, lowest drawdown, and top intraday traders. Also, if you have a preference, you can search for traders from a specific country. ByBit gives each trader some specific badges that highlight their particular characteristics, so pay attention to them as well. And finally, you can filter your list to show only available traders. I will filter traders by their badges, selecting those with the top ROI and stable badges. I would like to review second trader. So, I click on him and get more detailed information on this person. In the Traders tab, you will find all the necessary information you need, such as the current number of subscribers. If the number is high, it means that people stick with this trader, which shows that this person is adequate enough. Then you will see the total number of days the trader keeps positions open. The higher the number, the more days the trader has been active. The next indicator shows the trader's stability. ByBit uses algorithms to present how traders perform during volatile markets. The greater the number, the less fluctuation traders' positions have. Some traders might have a message for their potential subscribers, which can include recommendations for subscription or a brief explanation of their trading strategy. Below the message, you can see the total funds currently under management by traders, how much of their own money they are using, and the percentage of profit that subscribers are paying to traders. Then, to better understand a specific trader, you can review all the badges. To get the full information, you just need to hover the mouse cursor over the name of the badge and you will see why this badge was granted. The next thing you need to review is the trader's performance. We select 90 days to get a wider statistic on the trader's results. So, now we can see that this trader made a profit of almost 40% on their initial investment. For example, if you had invested 1,000 USDT in this trader 90 days ago, you would have received approximately 400 USDT. We can also see that almost 96% of the trader's trades were successful. It means that they were closed with some profit. The next number shows the largest amount of unrealized losses the trader experienced during the specified period. Here, we need to discuss something important. It's necessary to be prepared for the worst possible outcomes. As I mentioned earlier, 95% of traders lose money, and even master traders are included in this statistic. It's because predicting market movements is extremely difficult, especially over a long period of time. Sometimes traders miss the correct time to enter the market, and prices move against their predictions, resulting in losses for them and their subscribers. In futures, there is a liquidation price, at which your position will be automatically liquidated. To avoid this, you need to have enough funds to cover the maintenance margin. Some people can allocate additional funds to maintain their positions, while others cannot. Therefore, always pay attention to the maximum drawdown number, as a larger drawdown may indicate that additional funds might be required to be added to your account to keep your positions running. It's hard to give exact numbers for these performance indicators, so you need to consider all of them and compare traders to find the most suitable one for you. To increase your profitability, look for a higher return on investment, and for greater safety, aim for a lower percentage of drawdown. Also, another interesting section is this chart that provides a summary of the trader's performance over a selected period. You can choose the desired time frame at the beginning and then review the performance over time. For instance, we can observe that during a 90-day period, the trader experienced 2 significant drawdowns. By using this chart, you can evaluate how significant these fluctuations are and determine if you are comfortable with such drawdowns in your portfolio. Overall, the chart showing an upward trend is what you should be looking for, as it indicates that the trader is capable of accumulating funds over time. Slightly below, you can find more specific information about the trades that were previously executed, such as the number of winning and losing trades, their total count, and the weekly ratio of total profit to total loss. A higher first number indicates a more profitable trader. The next 2 numbers can provide you with further information on traders' behavior, as you can see the average number of positions opened during the week and their average holding time. In the second chart, you will find similar information as in the previous one, but with exact numbers of profits and losses. When you select a 90-day period, each bar in this chart represents summarized data for an entire week. And you will see a summary of profit or loss for a specific week. Below, you can review all the coins that the trader has traded. You can also extend the time range to a wider period, such as 90 days. In this particular case, the trader recently has traded BTC and EOS. When choosing a new trader, keep in mind that trading a few coins at the same time allows to get greater focus and the possibility to thoroughly research and analyze each coin before starting a trade. This approach can also help manage risk as trader and can easily monitor and adjust positions. On the other hand, trading many coins simultaneously can provide more opportunities for profit. However, this approach requires more time and effort to keep up with the market and can be more challenging to manage risk as you have a larger portfolio to monitor. So, your choice depends on your individual preferences and risk tolerance. So, you should review which and how many coins a trader uses in their typical actions and determine whether you want to aim for higher returns or prioritize making your funds safer. You can check the exact trades by clicking on Statistics of Copied Trades. One quick note here is that some traders hide this information, so you won't be able to review it before subscribing to them. You will be able to review what type of position the trader has, such as long or short. Also, you can review the amount of leverage that is used, and what type of leverage is applied, such as isolated or cross. Then you will see the average price at which the coins were bought, the current price per token, how many coins were bought for that specific position, and the result of the position, such as how much profit or loss it brings. Below, you can review all the previous positions that were taken by the trader. Here, you will find slightly different information such as the ticker symbol of the coin, the number of coins used in the position, return on investment, average price at which the trader opened the position, and the specific time of position opening. In our case, this trader only opens long positions. Personally, I would prefer someone who takes both long and short positions to ensure that the trader will have open positions, regardless of market tendencies. However, if you are comfortable with the fact that the trader only takes one type of positions and they are still profitable, it doesn't matter. And finally, you can check the statistics of the trader's followers. After you have decided to subscribe, you need to press copy. Then, you should choose between Smart Copy or Advanced Mode. In Smart Copy, you will enter in the same proportional ratio as the master trader. For example, if the trader has 1000 USDT and opens a position for 10 USDT, which represents 1% of trader's budget, the system will allocate 1% of your assigned funds to this position. I recommend using Smart Copies because this way, you will follow the trader's strategy and not expose yourself to excessive risks. In advanced mode, you can set a specific amount for each trade. This means that you won't be following the trader's strategy precisely, as the portion of the deposit assigned to each trade will be determined by you. For Smart Copy mode, you will need to enter the total amount that you want to allocate for copy trading. The minimum is 50 USDT. In the case of Advanced Copy mode, you will allocate some funds to the trader first and then decide how much money will be divided per one trade. The minimum per trade is usually between 10 and 20 USDT. It is important to allocate enough funds, because if you don't have sufficient funds to copy at least 10 trades, you will be removed from the list of followers and all your investments will be returned to you. To determine the appropriate amount to invest for a specific trader, you can check that person average number of trades per week and multiply it by the minimum limit set in the configuration. Another useful feature is setting a stop loss, which will automatically unsubscribe you from the trader and close the deals if your balance reaches a certain amount. There are pros and cons to this option. On the one hand, if you have chosen your trader poorly, this might save at least part of your funds. On the other hand, the trader might have planned a move that goes against you, and with stop loss, you might fail to follow the trader's plan. In any case, stop loss is proven to be an adequate tool that might save your deposit. However, if you trust your choice, you can skip this part. Another recommendation is to leave the copy guard function enabled. This allows you to wait for the optimal price at which the master trader entered the market, instead of entering at a potentially changed market price. This is especially useful in volatile markets where the price of a coin can change very quickly. Even though followers enter the market with the master trader at the same time, they may get a worse entry point. The copy guard function ensures that the follower will get the same price as the master trader. Although additional settings are available, it's best to either follow someone's strategy entirely and leave all of that as they are or trade with your own hands, rather than cutting off parts of their strategy. The logic here is as follows: when signing up for a trader, you are entrusting them to follow their strategy, plan certain actions, decide when to enter or exit a deal, and choose which leverage to use. Modifying additional settings may disrupt parts of their strategy, which may not work for you. Therefore, it's more appropriate to either fully follow someone's strategy or trade with your own hands. Once you have selected everything, click Copy, and you will be subscribed to the master trader. After subscribing to the trader, you can review all settings at any time either from the trader's page or from the Copy Trading User Center. In the User Center, you can find all information related to copy trading activities. At the top of the page, you will find a summary of the information with total calculated sums. In the Dashboard section, you will see a chart that summarizes all your investments in copy trading. In the A Master Trader tab, you can access detailed information about all the traders that you are currently following as well as previous ones. In Orders tab, you will be able to review all your current and previous positions. Let's review the actions you can take with settings of your master traders. Firstly, you can invest more funds to a specific trader. If that person proves to be a very effective trader, you might think about allocating more USDT for further management. By pressing Details, you will open up detailed information on that trader where you will have the possibility to change previously used settings. One of the most important features here is the option to reduce your investment. When your trader generates a profit, you will be able to take some part of it. Note that you can only take a part of the funds, and you will see a number indicating the maximum reducible amount. To take all the funds, you will need to cancel the copy, and then you will get back all your funds plus the profit. If you have open positions with the trader, you will be given two options, either to close all your trades immediately or wait until your master trader does it. While the copy trading tool is interesting and provides additional opportunities for beginners to team up with traders and start earning profits, you still need to be aware of some facts about copy trading. It's important to understand that copy trading is also beneficial for the exchange because all followers are paying commissions when entering the trader's position. However, paying a commission does not guarantee a profit. As I have already mentioned, more than 95% of traders are losing money on futures, so you can imagine that find really good trader among that list is challenging. And remember that no one is more responsible for your funds than you are. All traders can make mistakes and misread market conditions. Even master traders can be wrong. An account of master trader can be filled with a bot instead of a human trader. However, the results of such bots may be unsatisfactory, as they tend to close profitable trades with minimal gain while keeping losses until liquidation. Moreover, such bots may execute more than 20 transactions per day, which can be disastrous for your account if the bot enters a trade at the wrong time. Therefore, if you find your master trader's strategy to be questionable, it is better to unsubscribe from them entirely. Another disadvantage of copy trading is that not all coins are available for it. The exchange collects votes from master traders before adding a specific coin to copy trading. It might limit some of them to get you better trade. What can you do to be safe while using copy trading? First of all, avoid allocating significant amounts of your budget to a trader's management, especially if that sum is crucial for you. Additionally, you should adopt the practice of withdrawing some profit made by the trader. Only after the funds are in your account you can consider them as profit. Before that, they are just numbers on the screen. Copy trading should also be considered as one of the strategies in your portfolio, since it can be challenging to achieve significant profits using only this strategy. Now, let's see where to find copy trading in the mobile application. You can find it on the main screen or in the main menu. Click on Copy Trading. On the starting page, the system filters traders based on specific characteristics such as top traders by ROI, traders with the highest profit for followers, lowest drawdown, and top intraday traders. This allows you to easily find traders with specific traits you are looking for. You can also view all traders and filter them according to your own criteria. Here, you will see the full list of traders. You can filter the traders who have available spots by clicking on Available Master Traders. To add more filters, you can press Filter. In the next window, you will see all the filter options. It is recommended that you choose the 90-day option to be able to see statistics for a longer period. It is important to always look for someone who has a proven track record of successful trades, rather than someone who was lucky during a short period of time. All the rest is up to you, as you can check and filter parameters based on your preferences. All of these parameters were discussed previously in this video, so I won't go over them again. If you want to copy someone right away, you need to press Copy if the trader has available space. However, if there is no available space, you will see a full instead of copy. In those circumstances, you can add yourself to the waiting list, and you will be notified via email or in the mobile application when a spot becomes available. However, I would recommend you to first check the performance of the trader. You can review it by clicking on the trader's name. To evaluate a trader on ByBit, you should check the number of days they have been active and their stability. The stability indicator presents how traders perform during volatile markets. The greater the number, the less fluctuation the trader's positions have. Below you can see traders' messages for their subscribers and their badges. If you scroll down, you will see the trader's performance, which includes their profit percentage, the number of successful trades, and their largest unrealized losses. It's important to consider the maximum drawdown number as it may indicate that additional funds are needed to maintain positions. Always remember to evaluate the trader over a long period of time, such as 90 days. Further, you will see a performance chart that clearly evaluates a trader's overall performance over a selected period. In the second chart, you will find a summary of profits or losses. Depending on the selected time frame, each bar represents a different time interval. For example, if you have chosen 90 days, one bar will represent an entire week. Then, you will be able to review all the assets that the trader has used in their positions. As you may recall, I mentioned earlier that some traders hide their current or past positions. After subscribing, you will be able to review them. And if you are not satisfied with them, you can easily unfollow the trader. To copy a trader, simply click on the I copy, and then you will be presented with familiar subscription options. You can select the mode in which you would like to follow the trader, either Smart Copy or Advanced Copy mode. If you want to access your user center, simply click on My Trades. Once you are there, you will be able to check your current status, as well as invest more in some traders or reduce their funds. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. If you still have questions, write a comment and I will try to help you. See you in the next video.